Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to POCO C61. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose wherever you want to and hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive right next to Send at the bottom of POCO. Also on an Android, thanks to all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Go right in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close an ad, allow camera access and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. Then wait. Close an ad, and as you can see after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!